Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. Introducing the DEWALT Collated Drywall Screw Gun Attachment. This innovative tool connects seamlessly to the DCF620 screw gun, making it a breeze to work with flexible strip collated drywall screws. Need to access those tight corners? The slim nose and removable shoe have you covered. With full 360-degree rotation, you can position the screw gun exactly where you need it. Plus, the tool-free screw length adjustment means no more fussing. Just quick and easy setup for varying screw lengths. Cleaning is a snap with the tool-free spring removal. And with the collated strip guide, your hands stay safe and secure. Elevate your drywall projects with the DEWALT Collated Drywall Screw Gun Attachment.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.